This 2021 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 303 QBCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Coachman is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 9, skylight, TV, DVD player, slide-out, LP detector, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, air conditioning, stove top burner, auxiliary battery, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 303 QBCK is 7,127 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.